You don't eat suckers. It's bedtime, and that's sugar. What are you doing? What is this? What did you do? You're bad. I don't want to call. You're bad. You don't eat suckers. You eat dog food. You look guilty.
He's not guilty. What makes you think he's guilty?
I don't know. Look at his face.
Maybe the hunchback. Bane, are you guilty, buddy?
And chewed up
Thank you.
wrapper and everything else.
Are you guilty? What's that finger taste like? It tastes like guilt. You think you're
Tastes
guilty?
like a bad dog.
So it's, yeah, 11:04. Sugar and you. Looks like the kids will be keeping us awake tonight. Hey, I'm the nicest pit bull you've ever seen. Beautiful. Almost sleep on. Look at my face. Is this looking a face of the guilt?
What did you do? You're bad.
How about you make up with Mom?
You're bad.
Give her a little paw action there.
You're a bad
There you
boy.
go. Yeah, that's what I do. You learn from me.
You're a bad boy. You don't eat
You're a
suckers.
sweet talker now, son. Hey, pretend everything's okay. Here. Is everything okay? Are we alright? We got caught? Are we making up? We had a full kung fu grip.
You got caught red-handed. You know where the candy bowls are, right?
Want to take us to where you went? Come on, let's go.
Want to pick up the rest of the mess? No.
Bane, were you in here? Come here, bud. Where'd you go?
Where'd you get that candy from?
Was it up here? I think you got it from up there.
No.
Looks like you moved my my drip tray.
This is all the pieces of the puzzle.
Bang, bang, bang. What's this?
You got a toy in there that you're not playing with because you were too busy eating a sucker. It's time for bed and we're not going to get any sleep.
It's time to eat. Let's go. Come on.
Want your dinner?
Yep. Uh-oh. Somebody else want their dinner? There's another dog upstairs. Let's go find out. Do you want your dinner? Oh, you can't be like with one leg here. So this is the 16-year-old. He has one good leg left. He's like Iron Man. Yes, he is Iron Man. This is my baby. Alright, baby. Oh, this is gonna be a vlog for tomorrow. I'll show you at the gym. Alright. Oh yeah, we have Christmas trees everywhere. On Christmas. Even though it's past, I'm not taking it down. Alright. I'll swing you this way. You ready to get picked up? He has his Halloween sweater on because we love Halloween. Alright, here we go. And up and under. Okay, first perspective, guys. Going down the stairs. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Look around. Let's go. Let's not whip. Oh, Santa. He gets us every time we go by, too. He's hard to get by the hand. Wait again. It's kind of creepy. Okay? He gets a little hand action. Let's sprint it. Oh. Let's go this way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the impatientness is coming out.
Making dinner for the pickiest dog in the world.
What do you think? What are you up to? I'm a good boy now. I'm a bad boy. No, B, what are we doing?
Making dinner for the pickiest dog in the world. He gets our leftover pizza from. Well, the other dog will eat anything because he's old and probably can't taste.
He's not impatient at all.
He's the worst. If you ever want to be moved along in your day, talk to Eddie. He'll move you right along.
Hey, you left the shirt off. You're supposed to stay in the shirt. We're the pickiest dog in the world. So we're the pickiest dog in the world. Maybe a little bit. Oh yeah, he's fancy. He gets the fancy microwave. He's a fancy boy. We're a couple minutes into the food so far. They're not eating, guys. What's your prognosis on them finishing it? Eddie, what happened on your food?
He would eat anything.
Dead fish, Eddie.
Bang, come get your dinner. Come on. Your brother wants it.
Come on,
Why
son.
don't you want it?
I'm gonna take your food.
Come
Come on, old man, you can't have that food. You can't have that food. You're on a fixed diet. You're on a gotta be 26 pounds because you're overweight because you got one leg.
No, he's got 3 legs.
Yeah, one leg left.
No, he's got 3 legs left.
Well, one leg's down. Although when food comes involved, he gets all 4 legs working or something. I don't know how that works. You can eat over there and not in your bowl. Where's your bowl at? Follow me. Come on. What's that? What's this? I don't want it. I don't want to eat it. You gotta eat it.
We'll eat it if I pick it up.
Oh, hand fed. That's the way I like it.
Oh, imagine that. You're all of a sudden hungry.
Looks like we'll be hand feeding you tonight. As Eddie stares in the
Good.
distance.
And then he spits it out.
I'm gonna take it.
What are you doing? You still got 2 pieces over here.
Bro, what do you think is going on, man? Eddie, you can't have it. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
You can't have it. You're
You
overweight.
can't shark attack that bull, son. Fixed diet. What you gonna feed me? I'm a big boy. Oh no 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 no
What are
no.
you doing? Why are you spitting it all out? What is wrong with you? Come on. Your dinner. It's your dinner.
Oh, that's the good stuff.
You're eating pizza for dinner. You're eating better than I'm eating.
Yeah. Whoa.
What's this?
You guys want Blue Apron or
Hello Fresh.
HelloFresh, huh? Yes, get the HelloFresh. I will like a creamsicle pie with some fish, maybe a little chicken. What do you got? What's going on over here? These are just, I'm just cuddling. We're just cuddling. That's what we do tonight. Come on. You just gotta get your food. Let's go. Eddie, you can't amp them up to eat more. You've already eaten. You eat like a racehorse. Anybody want some Halloween? For Christmas? Because that's what we do around here. We're going to work on this one, but now it's time to end this vlog. What do you think? Oh no, a walk in Port. You want to go for a city walk? Downtown? Downtown. 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 Downtown.